I don't want to use that filter. I don't. You can't make me. And that's why we can make our checkboxes adjust it. Hey, it's Maria with another Coda tip. So here on my table, I've got a little drop-down menu that allows me to filter this table by the owner, so I can see all of Maria's stuff. But if you have a giant table, and maybe you just don't want to have multiple views, you want to have just one spot, and maybe decide you don't want to use that filter right now. So what I've done is I've added this checkbox that allows me to override that filter, so I can decide when I want to engage with it and when I don't. So I've connected this checkbox to the table by going over here to filter, and I've given myself a little if statement. So here what I'm saying is, okay, if that checkbox is checked, then I want us to just move forward as if nothing happened. Otherwise, and here's my next option, I want it to be yes, the owner matches whoever is in that select list. So I'm giving myself two options here, and the checkbox triggers whether or not we're gonna move forward to that next option. So let's see what we've got. I'm gonna say, all right, select everything, but I'm gonna say, just kidding, I don't wanna. I'm gonna check the checkbox, and now I can make changes here however I like, but notice nothing happens until I uncheck that checkbox, and now it's working as normal. So it's a great way to give you and your team some options with how you wanna work, and give you the option to say, I don't wanna. Coda tips.